Morning student, welcome back to our English class. Children, today we are going to start a new poem, that is 3.6 5 Little Seeds. Okay. So first we will recite the poem. Poem 3.6 5 Little Seeds. Listen and recite the poem with action. So we will first recite the poem. 5 little seeds, 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up comes 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds. So children, this is our poem. Now we will see the explanation of the poem. So we will see the first paragraph. What is there in the first paragraph? 5 little seeds, 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. So children, first of all, this poem is about 5 little seeds. The seeds and its growth in plants. The poet says that there are 5 little seeds that are sown in the soil. You can see there 5 little seeds are there. So these 5 little seeds are sown in the soil. Of course, seeds are sown in the soil, and after proper water and sunlight, air, and after few days they start sprouting out and it comes out of the soil. So the poet says 5 little seeds are sown in the soil, and out of these 5 little seeds, 3 seeds will make flowers. So out of these 5 seeds, what happened? 3 seeds will make flowers, and what about the remaining 2 seeds? Now remaining 2 seeds will grow into weed. Weed means wild plants growing anywhere or where it is not wanted. So out of these 5 seeds, 3 plants will make or they grow into flowers, and the remaining 2 flowers grow into weeds, that is the wild plants. So children, I hope you have understood the first paragraph. Now see the next paragraph. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Now here the poet says, once the seed is sown under the soil, seed is waiting to sprout. It is waiting to come out. Yes or no? Yes. So when we sow the seed under the soil, it is waiting to come out. Under the leaves, under the snow means weather changes, weather conditions. Spring comes, autumn, summer, rainy. So there are different seasons, different changes comes. Once the seed is sown, it is waiting. What it happened? It is waiting to grow, and it will wait to come out of the soil. So can you see, under the leaves means under the different conditions, under the soil, under the different conditions. These, or under the snow means in the winter or in the other conditions. These 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. They are waiting to come out of the soil. Okay children, is it clear? We will read once again. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Now see the next stanza. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Now here in this lines the poet wants to say that when the seed gets sunlight, rain and shower. Rain means shower or rain. Here shower means rain. What will grow? What happened? And up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. So when the seed gets sunlight and rain, 3 pretty pink flowers will grow, or in other words we can say plants will bear 3 pretty pink flowers. We all know. So when they get proper rain and sunlight, out of these 5 seeds, the 3 plants, they will grow in pretty pink flowers. Or you can say that a plant, where can you see? Here 3 pretty pink flowers are there when they get the proper sunlight and rain. Now the next paragraph. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds. So children, we all know that for seeds to grow, sunlight and rain is essential. Yes or no? Yes. So I have already told you that for plants, growth of the plants, we need sunlight and water. So now the poet says, out of those 5 seeds, 3 seeds have come up or grown up into 3 pretty flowers. Yes. Now what about the remaining seeds? What happened to the remaining 2 seeds? Did they grow? What happened to them? Now you must also be thinking, na? So what happened to them? No, they did not grow. They did not grow into pretty flowers. But what happened? Instead of growing into flower, they grow as a weed. Weed means, I have already told you, that is the wild plant growing anywhere. So these 2 weeds cannot bear flower. Can you see? These are the weeds, and you cannot see flowers over here. So these weeds, they cannot bear flowers. So out of 5 seeds, they are sown into the soil. 3 bear flowers. They grow up into pretty pink flowers, and the remaining 2 seeds grow up as weeds. Okay. So children, do you like flowers or weed? Yes, we all like flowers. So we should also try to make ourselves as a flower and not the weed by adopting the good habits. Okay. So children, I hope you have understood the poem. Yes. So we will see the new words of this. Okay. Now see, the first word is look and say. So Leaves, leaves. Leaves means patte. Okay. The next word is flowers. Flowers, flowers. Seeds, seeds. Seeds means beej, beer. Then the next one is shower, shower. Shower means rain. Then the next one is weeds, weeds. Weeds means wild plants. plant, plant. pretty, pretty. Pretty means beautiful, attractive. Waiting, waiting. Waiting, waiting means intezar karna. Okay. So these are the new words of the poem. Now, children, can you see the next page? Here an exercise is given. What exercise? You have to name the parts of the plant. A help box is given. Bud, leaf, flower, fruit, stem, root and seeds. So we will see, what is this? This is bud, bud, bird. Bird means kali. Before grooming the flower, it is closed and it is a bird. Now what is this? These are the seeds inside the fruit. SEEDS, seeds. Now what is this? This is the fruit. FRUIT, fruit. These are the parts of the plant. Then below the ground it grows roots. ROOTS, roots. Now we will see this side. This is a flower. Then the bird opens, it becomes a flower. FLOWER, flower. Now what is this? This is a leaf. LEAF, leaf. Then comes this. What is this? This is the stem of the plant. STEM, stem. So children, you have to write this in your textbook only. No need to write this book exercise in your copy. इसको कॉपी में करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये आप आपके इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक में ही सॉल्व करनी है. ओके. नाउ देयर इज वन मोर एक्सरसाइज. द वर्ड्स seed, weed, need have two double E. Can you see? In the spelling of seed there is double E. In the spelling of double weed there is double E. In the spelling of need there is double E. Letters in the middle. Find out some more meaningful words that have two E's in the middle. So here letters are given and double E are given. So we have to find. The first one is given SEED, seed, and then the next is FEEL, feel. FEEL, feel. Now we have to make new words. So the first word is KEEP, keep. Then PEEL, peel. Then KEEN, keen. Then F, where is F? FEET, feet. This is the feet. Now seventh word is JEEP, jeep. Then WEEP, weep. Then comes PEEP, peep. Then WEEK, week. Then PEEK, peak. Then comes SEEN, seen. So these are the words which have double E in the middle. So children, you have to solve these two exercises, A exercise and B exercise, in your textbook only. So this is your homework. Complete question number A, B in English textbook only. No need to write it in your English copy. कॉपी में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसको आपको इंग्लिश कॉपी में ही सॉल्व करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू. मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट पीरियड. टिल देन, थैंक यू एंड बाय बाय.